This is Bill Guyman with Crazy Bill TV. Here today, we are in Haines Junction, getting ready to do the shuttle. Gotta go pick up Rocky. Oh, there he is. There he is. There's the infamous king of the Class 2 plop and drop, master guide of all rivers. You gotta get his autograph at the next Whitewater Festival. Mr. Whitewater Bean himself with the rafting machine. See how that rhymes?
It's the machine.
Mr. Bean with the rafting machine right there. He did bring the kitchen sink.
Well, I'm putting the toilet back.
And I'm trying.
Bringing the sink, all right?
And I'm trying to get him put the faucets back too, but he's not doing that. Yeah, we're getting finally packed. We're getting ready for a shuttle. We're gonna meet Rocky Contos in Haines, Alaska, because we're at Haines Junction, Canada. So I will have to cross the border. I will have to pull out my passport and say, yes, I am a U.S. citizen, born and reared there. Like I said, we got to figure out, pretty much we're going to be truckless after today, so, which is fine. We're about, I don't know, 1,000 feet from put-in, and we're going to get locals to help us because money makes, Bean says, money makes things go away. Money makes things happen. That's your words of wisdom for the day. Money makes things happen. You don't have to have it. You just have to have friends that have it. you just have to be liked by them. You gotta be liked by them. Here we are. We're getting ready to go. Here, let me show you the view out here in the morning in Haines Junction. This is outside. This is what you walk out to out of our door. It's a pretty rough life. It's the hard knock life. There's the creature craft. We're getting more stuff put in there. We got more bags here. Got all kinds of bags. Yep, getting ready for the Alsek River to do Turnback Canyon. And here is my truck. There's the truck. There's the canoe that Don Iverson has taken. And there's my Creature Craft sticker right there. Woo! And these are my new shoes. These are gonna be my boating shoes. Those are my Crocs. Those are the only crocodiles I'm gonna be dealing with on this trip. It's right there. I'm gonna deal with those Crocs right there. And then there's Bean. There's that there's a king of Class 2 plop and drop, master guide of all rivers. Make sure you get that straight. That is correct. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. He is the king of Class 2 plop and drop. He gonna be the king of the washing machine inside of Turnback Canyon. Our info yesterday said it's gonna be a washing machine. You're gonna have the little baby shark on your head when you're in there going, boo doo boo boo, mama shark, daddy shark, daddy shark. That's off the Facebook filter. Again, here I am. We're in Haines Junction, which is the Yukon, Canada. Haines Junction, Yukon, Canada. There's the maple leaf flag and there's the American flag, because that will take you to the US of A right there. You can see how pretty it is back here. Highly recommend, even if you're just road tripping, this is a spectacular place to be. Again, this is Bill Guyman with Crazy Bill TV. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give me some thumbs up loving.